Are you wanting to produce t-shirts and garments in bulk quantities? Are you a fashion house, startup brand, corporate company, restaurant or hotel chain? Or just looking for promo gear for your next big project? Are you tired of trying to find a trusted manufacturer, or just don't know where to start or who to go to? Someone that will handle the production process and will deliver quality tested garments? Well, we know that you're not alone. You see, a lot of people end up frustrated when trying to tie all the necessary methods of researching, sourcing, ordering, manufacturing, packaging and shipping of bulk t-shirts that are high in quality but also come in at the lowest costs, and it's because they're using methods that just don't cut it. You may have already tried to shop around for low-cost garments, or maybe you have tried to find a good quality textile printers, but unfortunately all these single solutions haven't worked that well and ended up leaving you without a real lasting solution. But now there's an answer that fixes all of that. Introducing 10KT's bulk t-shirt ordering service. A powerful new service that will research, source, order, produce, package and ship your high quality plain or printed t-shirts for you, and all at the lowest costs and without all the headaches. Here's just a few things that 10KT's bulk t-shirt ordering service will help you with. Number 1, very low unit costs, which is good because it will prove to your team that you are a major whiz-kid when it comes to looking after your project's bottom line. Number 2, the most experienced textile consultants in the industry working as your assistants, keeping things organised and on track, which is a big help as you'll be informed at every step of the processing stages so that your project reporting to your manager will be a breeze and you can make sure that the end result will be one that is right for you and your end user. Number 3, exacting standards to BSEN number 26330, which is powerful because your resulting product is one of sellable high street standard without having to pay for all those expensive testing processes. And there's a whole lot more. So stop the frustrations of solutions that just don't work and call us now on the number on this page. You won't be struggling with producing, sourcing, doing all the research, ordering correctly and shipping of your bulk t-shirt projects. Save costs with us today. Call now at the number below.